Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today, we review places in town and telling the time by writing actively.
Great. I want to practice writing simple sentences.
First activity. Listen and write helps you hear a short text and write the words you hear. Second activity. Make a sentence lets you create your own sentences with useful words.
I like writing because I can check my words.
Good. Let's begin with listen and write. Listen and write. This is a dictation activity. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay, I will listen carefully.
Listen to the whole text first to understand the main idea. Write what you hear during the dictation, word by word. Check and correct by comparing your writing with the original text. Keep your pencil or keyboard ready.
I am ready to hear the full text.
Excellent. Now listen to the dictation. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Mia is at the bus stop. At 8:05, she goes to school. At 12:30, she eats near the park. At 3:15, she visits the library. The pharmacy closes at 5 in the afternoon. Now I will read the text slowly, part by part. Nexo, are you ready to write?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let's start writing now. It is 8 o'clock. In the morning. Mia is at the bus stop. At 8:05. She goes to school. At 12:30. She eats near the park. At 3:15. She visits the library. The pharmacy closes. At 5 in the afternoon. Well done, everyone. Nexo, how did it go?
It was good, but sometimes were difficult.
Now compare your writing with the original text and correct any mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try to include times when it sounds natural.
So I write about places and times.
See an example as Nexo does the exercise first. Make your sentences using the main words and the helper words. Nexo, are you ready to make your sentences?
Yes, I am ready to try. School. School starts at 9 o'clock. Park. I go to the park at 4:30. Supermarket. The supermarket opens at 8:05. Bank. The bank closes at 5 o'clock. Library. I study at the library at 3:15. Bus stop. The bus stop is near the hotel.
Great work, Nexo. Now it is your turn to write. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You finished the writing practice. You practiced town places and times through writing.
Thank you, Emma.
See you in the next lesson.